Pure Kanjivaram soft silk saree, double work, plain collection with beautiful contrast pallu concept. The pallu as well as the blouse piece is contrast here with a plain body and plain pallu. The saree here have a beautiful Rani pink saree body, very elegant pink shade with mild reddish glow on it. Complete plain with the contrast pallu. Pallu is a light green color, olive green and light green, apple green is mixed color. The same color is the blouse piece also here with the pallu tassels already made. Beautiful contrast natured plain saree with authentic silk mark. Pure Kanjivaram soft silk saree, double work. A very beautiful plain saree with a contrast pallu and blouse piece. Here we have an excellent light pink shade, a baby pink category, and it is in little darker shade of the baby pink. And we have a contrast light cream color pallu and blouse piece. Ultimate contrast it is with pallu tassels already made. Excellent one with authentic silk mark. Pure Kanjivaram soft silk saree, double work, plain collection. A very beautiful olive green saree here. Complete saree is plain olive green with beautiful contrast light cream color pallu and blouse piece. The complete saree is plain here, no zari or nothing work here. Can be used for painting and further works like zardosi or any embroidery works. This saree it is a quality product. You can use for further use, and it is having a beautiful tassels which is already made, and the pallu blouse piece is also in the pallu color. Complete contrast, olive green is looking beautiful with authentic silk mark. Pure Kanjivaram soft silk saree, double work, plain collection with very beautiful contrast pallu and blouse piece concept. Here we have a peachy pink color saree, a plain saree, a very elegant and rare color, and we have a contrast turquoise green and blue mixed color pallu, almost a sea green color pallu. Same color blouse piece with the pallu tassels already made. Excellent color choice, a very beautiful combination, rare one with authentic silk mark. Pure Kanjivaram soft silk saree, double work, a plain saree collection. The complete saree and the pallu is plain. The pallu and blouse piece are given contrast here. Deep magenta pink shade. Complete saree is magenta, beautiful dark color with contrast dark color pallu. The pallu is a royal blue with the pallu tassels already made, and we have the blouse piece also in the pallu color. Combination is a dark saree combination with authentic silk mark. Pure Kanjivaram soft silk saree, double work. A very beautiful plain saree collection with contrast pallu and blouse piece. Here we have a beautiful red saree with turquoise blue shade, light sea blue it is, blouse piece and pallu. Complete plain, pallu, blouse piece, everything is plain here with the pallu tassels already made. Combination is beautiful with authentic silk mark. Pure Kanjivaram soft silk saree, double work, plain saree collection with the contrast pallu and blouse. Complete plain. The saree, the pallu is also plain here, no zari or nothing, no work. And we have a baby pink shade color pink in the saree body. Complete plain one with a half white color pallu combination. The pallu tassels are also made. The blouse piece is also in the same half white color. Combination is beautiful with authentic silk mark. Pure Kanjivaram soft silk saree, double work. Very beautiful plain contrast sarees, complete plain sarees with contrast pallu and blouse piece. Beautiful color combination here. A dark saree, dark navy blue shade, mild violet tinge in the dark navy blue. Plain saree with the contrast light half white color. It's a creamy half white color with the pallu tassels already made, and we have same pallu color blouse piece. Combination is beautiful, light versus dark with authentic silk mark. Pure Kanjivaram soft silk saree, a plain saree collection with beautiful contrast pallu and blouse piece collection it is. Saree is fully pink, very elegant pink shade saree with beautiful turquoise green color pallu. All are plain, we don't have any butta work or zari work in the saree, complete plain one with the blouse and pallu in the contrast colors. Here we have a turquoise green shade. The blouse piece is also turquoise green with the pallu tassels also already made. A very elegant combination Beautiful and attractive combo with authentic silk mark. Pure Kanjivaram soft silk saree, plain saree collection with a contrast pallu and blouse piece. Complete plain saree. Even the pallu is plain here with no work, which can be used for further works like painting or any work like embroidery, finish, etc. And here we have a beautiful sea green color, a turquoise sea green color shade saree with a very beautiful half white cream color pallu and blouse piece. The pallu tassels are already made. It's a pastel shade combination saree with authentic silk mark. Thank you. Pure Kanjivaram soft silk saree, double warp, a plain saree collection with a contrast pallu and blouse piece. This complete saree is plain. Beautiful combination colors. The sarees can be further used for painting as well as other works. Orange body, plain orange body, and we have a contrast green pallu. Light green color, olive and light green mixed shade with same color blouse piece. The pallu tassels are also already made. The combination is beautiful with authentic silk mark. Pure Kanjivaram soft silk saree, double warp, a plain saree collection with a contrast pallu and blouse piece concept. Complete saree is plain here, magenta pink, beautiful dark magenta pink it is, plain one, with a combination that is very rich and beautiful royal blue, deep royal blue pallu with same pallu color blouse piece. The contrast pallu and blouse piece with pallu tassels already made. An excellent and ever-loving combination with authentic silk mark. Pure Kanjivaram soft silk saree, double warp, a plain saree collection, a very elegant combination here, a pastel combo. The saree is in beautiful tussar color, a half white with light green tinge, a very different tussar base color saree, a pastel color with the contrast light green pallu. The pallu is in light green with olive tinge, and we have same color pallu color blouse piece. The pallu tassels are already made. The combination is a beautiful pastel combo and with authentic silk.